Have mercy on me, a sinner.
It was very dark. Thank you guys for remember to like, subscribe, and then comment your favorite mini brand. Thank you.
We were there for a little bit. We had food and yeah. So I got some fun toys that we could review, unbox, and yeah. So I got the squeezy van. I can't tell who this kit guy is. I looked on the menu. I don't know who this guy is. Well, let's see if we can find him now because I'm in the light, so the flash should help us. So what colors does this? This is panther colors, but I don't see panthers on these things. I'm lost. I think this is Luke Kuechly, if I'm not mistaken. Let's give this to my mom. She can help us. Mom Cards 10 is behind the camera for us, so let's give this to Mom Cards 10 and see if she can figure this out. Here you go. Can you figure that out for us? Tell the camera what it actually is, because I can't find them. My mom Cards 10 is gonna help us because I'm lost and she's good at seeing stuff. So I'm gonna put something while she finds it. Okay? Let's open up this gum. Can they see this? We're gonna put up our teeny mates. Okay. So $7.50 from a blind bag from Dave and Buster's in Florida. Can I say that? It's really easy to open if I do this here. Can you find it? Mom's card's still open. Checklist. Can you find it? Alright, so this is a checklist. Okay. A puzzle piece. I have a puzzle piece from my old one. Let me check. I opened up this one. I got a DJ Moore. Hey, can they see this? Can I see it? Yes? See it or is it too much? She's tiny. What? Can they see that? This is a DJ Moore from the Panthers. I know they're really tiny and I don't like that, but okay. And this one was really, really sussy. Really cool actually that I found this. A Trevor Lawrence rookie teeny mate from the Jaguars. Trevor Lawrence. That is cool, alright? Let's see if the pieces like match together. I think you're supposed to, right? Oh no, they might not match. Yeah, they might actually. These don't match, right? Oh no, they might not match. Let's come over. Click the piece together. Okay, these don't match. Well, that's it. Well, you have two puzzle pieces that match. Some of them match, some don't. It's just depends on what they give you. So you're trying to build the puzzle. The puzzle I think is supposed to look like this. Let me see. Can you put that up to me? See. That's what you're trying to build. If you guys want to buy one of those, that's the puzzle you're trying to build. You could be the Teammates logo, or you could build the Planet one. It just depends on what you get from your. So you can get them from Walmart, Target, Meijer, Big Lots, your cards, your LCSs, Walgreens. You can get them from Walgreens and CVS. I don't know how much they are in real retail. I only know how much they are in Dave & Buster's. They're $7.50. I have it up on the other one. So we have a golf. Okay. Can I see it? Shake it if I can. We have Jared Goff for the Lions. It's stuck in there like. Kyler Murray! Woohoo! Hold on, we might need Mom Cards 10's help. What's out here? That's like glue. I don't want to use my teeth because braces. I got braces, so I wouldn't really. And then you should show it to the camera. That tell her then you should. That's Kyler Murray if you didn't know. So just show it to the camera. Okay. Mom Cards 10. So Kyler Murray for the Cardinals. Those are those, and that was fun. I got Among Us. I got Among Us pack. Oh. Hold on, guys. Time. Got out. I messed up, guys. I just snatched the box out to me. Can I see this? Among Us from Tokidoki Crewmates pack. If you do watch Paul and Shannon, they might have reviewed one and I didn't know. That's if you're going to collect them. How much was this in retail? Let's see. Good question, guys. Good job for reminding me because I don't know. I think it was $6.50. Guys, this is going to be the funniest thing you've ever seen. That's our crewmate. Let's see which one that is. Is it a rare? No, it's a common. Common, it looks like a purple crewmate with a, whatever this is on his head. I can't tell. Mom Cards 10 can't tell you. So that was those. Now we're going to do the mini brand. Alright, let's see if I can get these open without having to have help. Let's see. So this is a Series 3. I'm going to try to find these. Ultra rare gold. These are, I think, so rare. This is a 2020 mini brand. I mean, they have one left the day left, so I got the last one. So let's open this. Hope you guys like this video. I mean, I've uploaded already one video yesterday. I'm putting another one today. Is that crazy, guys? I know. I'm just trying to get a bunch of videos and thinking out while I'm on vacation. We did go to Pure Park and we had a pretty fun. Oh, did I tell you where we went? You don't even, guys, don't even look it up. We had a fun time today. We ate donuts for breakfast and had a fun time today. So, had a good trip. Yeah, dude, Buster 2 and the Kudos and they got. So, a lot of opening things here. Put the rest of it up. I'm gonna pull this, I do. Guys, I'm having some trouble. Caden Cards, the owner of Caden Cards, Santa's having some trouble. I'll figure it out. All right, there we go. Okay, that was a bit of a struggle, but I figured it out. I'll take this one. What I don't like about Zuru is that you put double layers, a layer plastic then another layer. It doesn't make sense. I think they're trying to keep it safe, but I get that, but it's kind of unfair to the people who don't have. I need Mom Cards 10's help. Oh, sorry, guys. My mom's gonna help us get the rest of that plastic. It is a pain. Get at least started, and I can do from there. That's good. You can get it started, and I can do it from there. That's good. Mom's gonna get it all for my mom Cards 10. Thank you. Thank you, Mom. Thank you. Second comment. Thank you, Mom Cards 10 for help. Dad Cards 10 is never gonna be on my channel ever again. I'm not gonna tell why. So Mom Cards 10 is gonna be our new producer. 05 mini eggs. I'm gonna come closer to this for this one because they're so tiny that you might be able to have to bring my hand all the way up, and I don't like to do that. So but these are a little different. So pick Mom Cards 10. Pick one. I'm trying to take these off real fast. I don't like doing them like this. That's our first mini brand. Let's see. What do we look at? Let's see. Do we ever check this? We'll get one in here, but let's see. I'm thinking we're going to get a Kraft Lunchables in this one. What do you think? She thinks the same one, so let's see. This is actually kind of cool, actually. The Golden Crisp. Can you see it? Can you see that? Golden Crisps. Cereal. That's the back of some Post. There's an interesting fact if you guys want to read that. Let's see if we get the checks. I think I've opened up one of these from Target. They do make the new Disney brand ones, but my God, these actually, this check is just loaded with good stuff. You can get ices, you can get Bolitas, you can get hot tamales and a mini. Like, who would ever think that would actually be able to be happening? I'll hold this one. You need this again. Oh, geez, not this. Baker's Own Sweetened Chocolate. What are the odds? That's actually kind of cute. Let's see. If I can even read this. Okay, so they're giving you a recipe on how to make peanut butter cheesecake brownies. I actually can see that. That's actually kind of hard to see, but not gonna lie to you guys, that was kind of a pain to see, but I used my eyes, so. Alright, next one. What are the odds? Bubble Yum. This is cool. This just reminds you of Bazooka. That's what that reminds me of. Alright, 2 packs left. Let's see. I think we got a Lunchable in this one. I mean, I'm sure you do this. I'm not strong enough to do that. Sometimes I can do it. What are they? Oh my god! Icy squeezy. That's what. There's nothing in this thing. They scammed me. What the frick?
Shopping bags.
I just got Mini Brands branded shopping bags. Let's see how these fit. Let's see. How do they go? Are they? Like, let's say we're shopping at what company should we? Oh, well, let's just say we're gonna shop at Aldi, and we're getting our stuff. We paid for our stuff, and now we're gonna bag it. We have to. These bags are really hard to get open. Good job, Zuru. Good job. Let's see. So we're gonna get our chocolate in there. Yeah, right. They're in the bag. These are actually kind of unique. Like, I gotta say. We don't have much storage. So after this, I'm putting it on the drive. So we won't. So let's go. I want to edit right after this video. I think this bag's open. We had a fun day at I'll do a recap after this. How much am I at? 12. I'm running out of storage. So we got this guy. I'm gonna move it fast because I'm running out of storage. I got a bit. We're gonna call this Brian Burns. That's what we're gonna call it. That's what. Gigi Moore, Trevor Lawrence. Puzzle pieces. Jared Goff, Kyler Murray. Checklist. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good day, Card Squad. Peace.